Okay, viewers, you are all welcome back to class this time around. Still on word problem leading to equation, I have an example on board. If a rectangle has a length that is 3 more than twice the width and the perimeter is 20 centimeters, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? This is a typical rectangle on the board. The longer side is the length and the shorter side is the breadth, and it's also called the width. So, perimeter of our rectangle by formula is 2L plus 2B. In other words, we have 2L, 2 longer sides, and 2 shorter side, which is the breadth and is also the width. So going by what we have in the formula, I want to continue calculating through the information given in the question. By the information given in the question, if a rectangle has a length that is 3 more than twice the width, so let the width, I told us the width is also the breadth. Let the width of the rectangle be letter X. So I want us to denote the width of the rectangle with a letter X, a small letter X. And it's not compulsory that we have to use small letter S. We can always pick any letter of the alphabet we preferred to use. Just depend on individual. It can be in the capital form and it can be in the small form, small letter form. But in this case, let the width of the rectangle be small letter X. And going to the question again, if a rectangle has a length, the rectangle has a length L that is 3 more than twice the width. That is 3 more than twice the width. So twice the width is 2x. 3 more than it is 2x plus 3. So for the rectangle in this question, the length is 3 more than twice the width, and the width is small letter x. And the perimeter itself, the perimeter of the rectangle is 20 centimeters. So we can now go back to the formula of a rectangle, which is 2L plus 2 width. And the perimeter by the question is 20 centimeters. And also, we have the length to be 2x plus 3. So we're going to write 2 here, and for L, we substitute what we have here for L, which is 2x plus 3 plus 2, open bracket, the width is x. So we can try now to open the bracket and do some arithmetic. Here we have 20 centimeter. We just leave the unit for now and open the bracket. Here we have 4x, 2 by 2x, 4x, 2 by 3, 6, plus 2 by x, 2x. we can collect like terms now. Collecting like times, we're gonna have 26 coming over to become minus 6, 4x plus 2x. And 20 minus 6 is going to give us 14. 4x plus 2x is going to give us 6x. Making x the subject of the formula, we're going to have 14 divided by 6, which is 2 whole number 2 divided by 6, which is 2 whole number 1 divided by 3, because 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So x, which is the width of the rectangle, is 2 whole number 1 divided by 3 centimeters. But according to the question, we are asked, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? So the dimension of the rectangle now is to have the length, to have the breadth. And by this calculation, the breadth, which is also the width, has been known. So I want us to, we have the length with an unknown here, x. So I want us to write what we have for length here and try to substitute for x, since we've been able to get s, which is the width. Substitute for s and get a figure for the length. Okay, trying to figure out the exact number, the exact value for the length of the rectangle. Length, by the formula, by the information given in the question, is 2x plus 3. So substituting s equals 1/3 in the above equation. Substituting s is equal to 1/3 in the above equation, we'll be having 2 into 1/3 plus 3. Okay, so this time around we can open the bracket so that we can get the exact value for L. Opening the bracket, I want us to change this one to an improper fraction, which will be 7 divided by 3 plus 3. 7 divided by 3 plus 3. So L is 2 by 7, 14 divided by 3 plus 3. So adding this together, we'll be having 14 here plus 1 and 3, 3 by 3, 9. So we have 23 divided by 3, which is 7 whole number 2/3 centimeter. So the length here is 7 whole number 2/3 centimeter. So we've been able to get the dimensions of the rectangle. We have the width of the rectangle to be equals to 2 whole number 1/3 centimeters, and the length equals to 7 whole number 2/3 centimeter. Viewers, I'll give you this work to do in order to confirm the authenticity of this work done. You know, for a rectangle, the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2B, or 2L plus 2W. It's either you use the shorter side, it's either you represent it by breadth or you call it width, whichever one you decide to pick and use. So what I want you to do is to use the perimeter beam P is 20, it's been given. But with this work done, that 20 centimeter can be confirmed by writing the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle and supply the length, which has been worked out correctly, and supply the breadth, which has been worked out correctly, supply it into the formula and work it out. Viewers, you're gonna get the perimeter to be equal to 20 centimeter. That is trying to confirm the authenticity of this work done. Then I move to second example now. Second example for this video, viewers. Adding 9 to a number gives the same result as subtracting 7 from 3 times the number. Find the number. The first thing I would like to write is, let the number, because the number is the unknown this time around, let the number be small letter y. I told us we can pick any letter of the alphabet, it's by choice. Adding 9 to a number gives the same result as subtracting 7 from the 3 times the number. The number is y. So adding 9 to y, adding 9 to a number is the same, gives the same results as subtracting 7 from 3 times the number. 3 times of y is 3y. So subtracting 7 from 3 times of y, subtracting 7. So adding 9 to y gives the same result as subtracting 7 from 3 times of y. So this is it on the board. Is where what we have here is equation in the word form. So we can work on this by collecting like terms in order to know the value of the number, because we just have the number as unknown in the letter form. So collecting like terms now, we're going to have 9, 7 coming over will be plus 7, 3y, and y coming to the going to the other side will be minus y. Here will be 16 to y. Making y the subject of the formula, we have 16 divided by 2, so y is 8th. Viewers, the number is 8. The number is 8. Thanks for watching, viewers. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.